This is the Blackstone griddle cover. This is the 28-inch griddle. I just covered it up here. This is the smaller one with the tray tables on each side right here. The cover measures 59.5 inches wide, 26 inches deep, and 33 inches height. It's got these straps on each side here where you could like buckle it down and get it to stay on here, but it's got the Blackstone logo right there. But I'm very happy with this. It went on here really well. I have a larger Blackstone and I have the cover that came with it. This cover, I went right with the company. I didn't get like an aftermarket one. The other one, just it's made very high quality. It's lasted several different seasons and I'm very pleased with it. This is the box that it comes in right here. It ships in just a very small box, unfolds very nice and easy. You could have this on your griddle in less than 5 minutes. So if you have a Blackstone griddle, you absolutely want to get one of these if you have it outside, because it does get like rusty and things like that. These definitely add a lot of cleanliness to it, and just where you want, when you're ready to use the griddle, it's a lot easier to get up and running. You don't have to clean it because it's covered. All the dirt is going to be landing on this cover here. So if you have a griddle by Blackstone, absolutely want to pick up one of these covers. Highly recommend it.